Businessman shot dead in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV News Report. A businessman is the latest victim of gun-related violence in Westmoreland after he was shot dead in Fuller's Field in the parish on Friday. He has been identified as 22-year-old Everton Johnson. According to reports, Johnson was at his business establishment when two men drove up on a motorcycle about 5:30 p.m. Further reports are that the men ordered cigarettes, and while being served the items, they pulled firearms and opened fire, hitting Johnson multiple times. He was rushed to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The Westmoreland police are investigating. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come on this. This has been Links007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.